Welcome to our exciting showdown between two of the most talked about smartphone gimbals on the market, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro and the Hohem iSteady M7. Today, we'll dive deep into their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your videography needs. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro is a budget-friendly option at just $79, making it accessible for beginners and casual users. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M7 is priced at $299, reflecting its advanced features and professional-grade capabilities. While the iSleeky L7C Pro offers great value for its price, the iSteady M7 justifies its higher cost with additional functionalities that cater to serious videographers. The JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro comes equipped with essential features such as 3-axis stabilization and face/object tracking, making it suitable for casual vlogging. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady M7 boasts advanced features including a detachable touchscreen remote, built-in extension rod, and fill light, providing a comprehensive toolkit for professional videographers. This difference in feature sets is crucial for users who require more versatility in their shooting. In terms of usability, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro is designed with beginners in mind, featuring a straightforward setup and intuitive controls. This makes it an excellent choice for those just starting their videography journey. Conversely, the Hohem iSteady M7, while slightly more complex due to its advanced features, offers a more professional experience for users who are willing to invest time in mastering its capabilities. Both gimbals cater to different user needs, making them appealing in their own right. In conclusion, both the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro and the Hohem iSteady M7 offer unique advantages depending on your videography needs. If you're looking for an affordable and user-friendly option, the iSleeky L7C Pro is a fantastic choice. However, if you're a serious content creator seeking advanced features and professional quality, the iSteady M7 is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.